Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot P50, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to take off the cover if you have any on your phone, and then you will need to pry off the back panel. You most likely have already done so at the very beginning when you first got the device, just because you needed to remove this little slide right here that was separating the battery. But once you take off the cover, you'll see that we have two slots right here for SD card and SIM card. So I'm going to utilize one of each. Now it actually looks like this one where the SD card goes is a dual tray. So you would place the SIM card on the bottom tray, like so. There we go. And SD tray or SD card at the top tray. So there we go. Now obviously if you're planning to use the other one or maybe two SIM cards, where's the little, there we go. Now it might be hard to see. I'm gonna zoom it closer in so you can see this. So here, once you pop in the card, you can probably find it that it's quite difficult to take it out. It's completely fine. There is a tiny little latch. So it's this right over here. As you see, once you push it in, it pushes out the card. So I'm gonna move it over just to show you. So there we go. So here we go. Anyway, let's move back the camera. Now once you insert your cards, they should start working immediately, and as you can see, the SIM card is working. And the SD card should be working as well, so let's see if we have some kind of pop-up. There we go. You can see it right here. So both of the cards are working just fine. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.